tokens. Has everyone heard of innovation tokens?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
But maybe some of our listeners won't have, so maybe we could, for their benefit.
Sure.
We'll definitely put it in the show notes. But the idea of innovation tokens is that every time you start a new project, you bring with you all the knowledge that you had. Say you're doing a new web application. Well, you're going to pretty much start from the old web application. And maybe you'll change a few things. Like maybe you'll be like, ooh, that database, that was a poor choice. Or for this, I think we need a different kind of database. But in then taking on something new, like changing your database, you've spent one of your innovation tokens. You've taken on a big risk because that's an unknown. The main push of this Choose Boring Technology blog post was you don't have unlimited innovation tokens. You have 2, maybe 3, more like 1. So if you're thinking about, trying to apply moderation as a virtue to your Go code, say, well, this code sure does use a lot of concurrency. Maybe that's the one innovation token. If you're using a lot of Go routines to kind of break up this problem, then maybe we shouldn't, going to think up something hypothetical, maybe we shouldn't have a lot of complicated data structures as well. It's really about recognizing, I've used a lot of a certain part of Go. The goal is not to use all of the parts at the same time. That's kind of, I've pushed my stack in on that one idea.